Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply email marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of email marketing on behalf of your business. I'm so excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will take you by the hand and show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you really need to know in order to dominate email marketing the easiest way possible using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This is exactly what you are going to learn. In video number 1, you will get a detailed explanation of what will be included in the complete training so that you have a clear vision of what to expect from it. In video number 2, you will learn what email marketing is all about. We will give you the easiest definition for it, as well as cover very important factors so you can have a simple but accurate and complete understanding of email marketing before you start working on it. In video number 3, you will learn why you should definitely use email marketing for your business. You will learn about some of its amazing benefits, as well as several shocking facts that will make you decide to start using it right away. In video number 4, you will learn about the top 10 email marketing automation tools you can use to start enjoying this amazing advertising strategy. There are several services dedicated to giving you email marketing services, as well as help you get the most out of it at the same time. In videos 5 through 11, you will learn how to get the most out of email marketing. We will cover topics like segmenting your email list, writing emails, building relationships with your list, right time for mailing, frequency of mailing, track your success, and rinse and repeat. In video number 12, you will learn the 10 do's you have to apply for successful email marketing campaigns. These are specific things you should remember to use or practice so you can succeed. In video number 13, you will learn the 10 don'ts you have to avoid for successful email marketing campaigns. If you don't care about these, be prepared to be disappointed. In video number 14, you will get the chance to look at several shocking email marketing case studies. These are actual examples we've taken from the internet to show you how email marketing actually works for other businesses, so that you can have complete confidence in your ability to achieve your own business success story as well. In video number 15, you will learn how to use email marketing as an internet marketer in order to make money online. Strategies that you can apply and definitely see great results in your internet marketing efforts. These strategies have been used by experienced online marketers obtaining awesome results. Well, it's time to dominate email marketing, fellas. I know you will love this training a lot.